Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing amazing. And today we are doing a very cute and simple look, which is an everyday makeup look. Let's begin. So the first tip is to use a foundation, and today I'm using the Estee Lauder foundation in Double Wear, which is in the shade Rattan. And now I'm not going to take a lot of it. I just want a little bit of coverage because I want my skin tone to look even and not other than that anything else, I would say. So because I want a natural makeup look, so I do not want to look cakey or overdone. I just want it to be simple and neutral. So it's best to use less amount of foundation and blend it really well. I'm going to take my blender sponge and then I'm going to push in the foundation into my skin so that it's blended and it looks even and it looks nice. I don't know how many times I've said even, but the thing is I really want it to look blended and nice. I want it to look like my skin. So yes. Now once that is done, I am going to move over to my concealer, but I'm not going to do too much. I have this mark on my forehead, just on my T-zone, which I do not want to, I just want to hide a bit. So I'm going to use the concealer for that purpose. And today I'm using, like always, my favorite concealer, which is Face's Ultime Pro. And then I'm going to conceal my mark and I'm going to apply a little bit of the concealer under my eye. So I'm not going to apply a lot of it because again I'm doing an everyday makeup look, so I do not need to look perfect. I just need to look nice, and it's just doing makeup for looking good to your own self. So I'm not going to apply a lot of it, and a bit, and then I'm going to blend that up. That's it. Now once we are done, we are going to move on to the powder part. Now this one is a really nice and amazing powder. If you have not heard about this from me, then you should watch my video where I'm doing the complete makeup look with Wet n Wild makeup products. So this is from Wet n Wild, and this is actually more like a banana powder. So I'm going to take this powder brush and I'm going to just apply that powder all over my face so that everything sets up and does not look greasy or too much. Now next I'm using this liner, which is from Rimmel, and I'm going to make a nice winged liner, and then I'm also going to smoke that up. Now why am I using liner? Because when we use a black eyeliner in our first step, the liner looks more firm or actually get a base, so it becomes difficult to do everything with an eyeshadow, and that is why I just want to create a guideline for myself, and I'm first of all doing a basic winged eyeliner. Now once that is done, I'm going to use this eye brush and I'm going to just apply the eyeshadow over it precisely, so that the liner does not look exactly very firm. It looks a little bit messy as well, so I just want it to be imperfect. So I do not want everything to be perfect, so I'm going to take this eyeshadow from the Makeup Revolution palette. So this particular eyeshadow is called Nightmare, and then I'm going to take and then I'm going to just apply it all over my liner. Now this way my liner would not look very made up, but it will look nice and messy and it will be great. So yeah. Now next I'm going to just bronze up my face. So like always I'm using my NYX bronzer. I love that bronzer, and I'm just going to do that. And once done, I'm going to take my lip color from Nykaa. So this lip color is named as Game On, and this is a nice lip color. It's very neutral and nice and pinkish. Everything is there in this lip color. I cannot just explain how good it is. So I'm going to use it as my blush as well. So I'm going to dab a bit of it, and then I'm going to take my sponge and apply it. Now this one is like, it seems like you are blushing from within, and that is why I loved the effect of it on my skin. Next I'm going to take my Wet n Wild highlighter, and then I'm going to highlight the areas of my face. So it's like cheekbone and my T-zone, and also over my eyebrows, so that everything comes out really well. Now you would have seen I've not applied a lot of highlighter onto my skin. I've applied a very moderate amount of it because again I want it to look nice and subtle. Now I'm going to use my same lip color from Nykaa, again Game On, and I'm going to apply it very nicely onto my lips. And now I think the major attraction of the entire makeup look is my lip color and my liner, and they are actually bringing out every feature on my face, and the rest of it's very subtle and simple. Not anything is not done too much, and it's not an overdo. Now I'm going to take my eyebrow brush and I'm just going to comb my eyebrows. I'm not going to fill them up, and this way they look more natural and done. Once done, I'm going to apply some mascara onto my lashes to lift them up so that my eyes look awake. And yeah, that's pretty much, guys. This is my entire makeup look. I hope you guys would have enjoyed it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my family for more such videos. And I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.